Welcome to Costa Serena. Hi everyone! Welcome to our exciting cruise adventure starting from Subic, Philippines, sakay ng napakagandang Costa Serena. Ang magiging floating home natin for 6 days and 5 nights. From breathtaking ocean views, world-class entertainment, international food, theme nights, hanggang sa relaxing days at sea, lahat ng moments aboard, Costa Serena talaga ang pang-vacation vibes. May world-class shows every night, fun activities during the day, shopping, spa, gym, pool, and jacuzzi at kahit simpleng paglalakad lang sa deck habang sunset. Sobrang sulit ang bawat oras sa barko. Para ka talagang nasa isang luxury resort na gumagalaw. This amazing journey will take us across the sea papuntang Taiwan where culture, food, and city vibes come together, and then tuloy tayo sa Japan, known for its beautiful sights, rich tradition, and unforgettable experiences. At pagkatapos ng lahat ng adventures, babalik tayo sa Manila dala ang memories na siguradong hindi natin makakalimutan. Join me as we explore new destinations, discover life on board, and experience the magic of cruising. This is Costa Serena Cruise Adventure. Tara, simulan na natin ang biyahe. The land of the rising sun.
Oh!
Hello everybody, welcome on board Costa Serena. I'm Carla from Italy and I'm on charge for all the activities for children and teens.
Grade 4 ba? Alam niya na to. Ha? Alam na niya na grade 4.
Morning guys.
Makikita.
Morning, dito tayo sa bus going to Subic, for the onboarding. Doon yung ano natin, yung port natin.
Okay, kasama to sa ano namin, sa binayaran namin.
Yung transport na to. Mali, ano pa na to, Wonder,
Hindi, Costa Serena.
Costa Serena.
Okay, see you later.
Bye!
Dapat kang
Guys, good morning. Nandito kami sa may Subic Bay Exhibition
And convention.
and Convention Center.
Dito yung drop-off. Costa Serena.
Guys, so nandito na kami sa Costa Serena cruise ship. Napakalaki, guys. Sobrang laki. So, nag-arrive kami kanina ng 6 a.m. Nandito na kami exact 10 a.m. Nadaanan na namin lahat ng immigration, yung boarding and everything. So, nandito na kami. Finally, 10 a.m. nandito na kami. Finally lahat, guys. So mamaya guys, tingnan ulit natin yung loob pagdating sa cabin namin. Bye! Thank you! Sige lab, lakad ka lang. Naka-video ka. Going here. Big boat at Costa Serena. Ano?
Deck 1 yun?
Deck 1 daw.
Deck 1 naman yan. Okay.
Thank you.
Guys, so dito kami.
Saan tayo pupunta ngayon?
Punta tayo sa Deck 9. Nandito tayo sa Deck 9 kasi kakain tayo ng breakfast buffet.
Breakfast muna tayo bago tayo
mag-check-in. And then, ang drill mamaya din.
Okay.
Hi! Thank you. Ay, sorry. Hi! Thank you. O, dito tayo sa malapit sa dagat. Oo nga eh. Hindi naman. Magaling naman kami umiwas.
Okay guys, nakasettle kami dito sa Deck 9 sa may bandang restaurant. So,
buffet. Kain muna ng breakfast
Kain muna.
before anything else.
after 4 hours so processing para maka-onboard kami dito, finally nandito na kami. So kain muna kami. So tignan niyo yung restaurant. Papakita ko sa inyo yung pinaka area ng restaurant and also the sea view. Ayan. Dito kami. Dito na namin yung labas. So by the way, nandito pa rin pala kami sa Subic. Ano lang kami, dinala lang kami ng bus dito from the convention center, Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center. Then doon kami pinrocess ng immigration and yung boarding namin. Sa passport namin pala, iniwan namin yung passport namin. And ayun, nandito na kami ngayon. So ayun, kain muna kami, pagod kami. Medyo magulo kanina yung pila. Yung process medyo confusing pero okay naman. Naka-survive naman kami. So kain muna kami guys. Okay. Tumaya ulit. Bye.
Bye! Kumakain mo na. Let's eat. Oh, it's so malula. Hello, good morning, family.
Casino.
Good morning. Ayan na, 1373 na. 1375. Ay, ito na, uy! Wala pa yung luggage.
Bukas yan. Pasok.
Ay, nandito!
Hi guys. Welcome to my cabin. Cabin tour tayo guys. Tara. So here's the outer area. The TV. I got my safety. My 2 beds and also my balcony area.
Pasok ka doon.
Yeah.
Upo ka.
This is the view. How's it, mga kalamatsero? This is not your usual view. Yeah.
Smile.
Okay. And I got here some
Life
2
jacket.
life jackets, adult. And also I have here my sofa. Okay. Just for relaxation and chill time. And also my bathroom. I'll show you. my
Vanity
bathroom.
mirror.
That tour. Okay.
May ref pala dito. Yan. And then,
The bathroom.
the bathroom.
Shower. Yung namin, toilet and the sink.
Ayan.
Yeah. Okay.
Shower lang. Wala siyang, anong tawag yan? Bathtub. Ay, din yung,
Door.
And then, meron pala siyang, may blower lang. May blower siya.
Yep. Lower, all the dress, closet, yan. Dito.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Just done with our emergency drill.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would once again like to thank you for your kind attention.
And then, yun yung, sasakyan natin boat kapag in case of emergency. Ayan. Diba? So, tapos na yung emergency drill. One.
Video ka tama. Yeah.
Welcome!
To deck number 5.
So here is the shopping area, shopping haven for the spenders. Okay.
So guys, here at Deck 5, all the shops you want is here.
Clinique, Armani. Oh, meron din silang for
So guys, we are going to the kiosk where we can link our ID, this one. So binigyan kami ng ID. Ililink namin to para sa credit card para makapagbayad kami. Makapag-purchase, makapag-shop, everything we want to do here in Costa Serena. By the way, deck number 5 to. Ayan, so ganyan yung shop. Dami dito. So yun guys, ha. Next time ulit, makita ko naman yung ibang deck. So guys, this is how you sync your hardest part.
okay.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat at welcome po sa ating Costa Serena. Ako nga po pala si Edmond from Adult Animation Team, which kami po yung gumagawa ng mga palaro at saka mga party nyo po. Ngayong gabi, huwag po natin kakalimutan po ang Italian party po sa Luna Lounge around 9:45. Salamat po. At saka sa ulit, maligayang pagdating sa aming Costa Serena. Salamat.
Okay.
Thank you, Edmund. And for the children and teenagers, we have another team that you can see on your right side. And the chief children animator, Carla, please.
Hello everybody, welcome on board Costa Serena. I'm Carla from Italy and I'm on charge for all the activities for children and teens. I cannot see many, I think already the children are jumping in the pool. Anyway, come to discover our fantastic world, the Squawk Club on deck 10, because during all the cruise we have amazing activities for children from 3 till 11 and for teenagers with our Mohammed from India from 12 to 17 years old here on Costa Serena. Come to see us on deck 10. Enjoy your holidays and welcome.
Thank you very much to the animation team of Costa Serena. Thank you, guys.
Hi
Thank you.
guys. So may theater.
And let's go ahead with the
Nandito kami sa Shove Theater.
next guests. You know
Welcome
that we have on
nila.
board a
Parang
spa, a
pa-welcome.
wellness center. It is located on deck 11. But I want you to know more, and I invited here on stage the person who, more than anybody else, can tell you about the spa. I would like to call on stage our spa manager. Let's make a big applause for Alejandro from Colombia. But he's not alone. I would like to invite on stage also the photo manager Armando from Italy.
That's a big
And also the Costa Shop manager Ahmed from Tunisia. Please on stage. And now Alejandro will speak about the spa. Please.
Hello, thank you.
Hi guys.
Oh.
So this is our day 1 here in Costa Serena. So dito kami sa gilid ng part ng parko. Siguro nasa 9th floor kami. Deck 9.
No, hindi nasa deck 9. Siguro 10.
Deck 10. Deck 10 pa.
Oo.
Umakyat kami ng top floor.
Okay.
So yung scrubber niya, laki oh. Yan. So
Ayan.
checking out the view while we are going out in the Philippines. Sa tayo muna? Taiwan.
Yeah.
So we're going in Taiwan.
Kaya tayo dun sa taas.
Then going to Japan.
Oo.
So watch out for my video. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga experience namin dyan.
Hey guys, so it's our first night and dinner time.
That's our day 1 dinner time. So yun yung mga ulam. Buffet style to, so pila kami ni Malalags. Mamaya ulit guys.
Oh my god, Lord.
Guys, Mala. Nakatapos lang namin makita yung acrobatic show. So, ang galing. International citizen yung mga performer. Ang ganda.
Ukraine.
May taga Ukraine, may taga Colombia ba?
Ciao. Very busy.
So, ngayon, nandito naman kami sa bar. Sa bar area. This is our night 1 of Costa Serena cruise tour. Bye! Party, party! Amarillo. So, this is an Italian artisan quality ice cream. Okay, tingnan lang natin.
Pag nagpalit ka ng
Wow, ice cream.
wala masyang pistachio.
They always ready for you.
Caramel, ears, and
Where are you going?
doon na sana tayo nag-POV. Good morning. We are going upstairs into the gym.
So guys, it's our day 2 here in Costa Serena. So check namin yung gym. Then mamaya may 9 AM mass, check din namin yan. Pero maraming tao sa gym. Kung maraming tao sa gym, try namin mag-jogging sa deck area. Sa malamig, tingnan natin guys. Okay, so mamaya din breakfast din tayo.
Hi, good morning. Gusto mo ba titensures ng mahal?
Kami nga yung lote lang, hindi pa din lote. Yung hanggang 40 lang,
Lagyan mo ng ano yung gano'n.
Yep.
laro ng mga matagal.
Hey, good morning. Lapit ka rin. Let's eat breakfast.
Day 2 for breakfast.
Yeah, see.
Video ako guys ng menu.
Yung nag-video
Kanina
kami.
nag-video ako kanina. From the selection ng mga pagkain for pets. Pare-pares ba?
Yan yung
Ano ba lang ako bacon? Dahil walang ham.
Pwede ba yung ham lang?
Wala pa yun, wala akong bacon.
Di ba minsan raffle?
Kumain ko.
Ito na.
Okay, guys, nandito kami sa may ground floor area. Dito sa may bar. So, may mga sale sila dito. So, pakita ko lang yung mga sale.
Nandun pa yung ano ko, yung Michael Kors ko na ano, na bag.
Magkano na yung presyo?
Pero ano, $160 nga.
Ganda ba rin?
$159. $159. 20% discount. So after discount, yeah.
Wala ba ito muna ako na natin?
Sarado na ba nga? Sarado na ba tayo? Ano lang mag-sale?
So, marami dito bags, watches. Yung mga brand is Maserati, Guess. Sa perfume marami. May mga CK, may Yugo. Ang dami. So, siguro mga 20 to 30% to. Pinakamarami talaga mga bags sa ino.
Sugit lang. Bibili na.
Mega promo day dito sa Costa Serena. Check namin kung may mamibili ka din.
Once again, it's
Nice. Thank you. Happy kid yan. Hello. The jacket.
From my kids' package include extra hotel appointment, water bottle. Don't miss your chance.
So this is the spa. Ito yung spa nila. Ito na yung salon. Salon. Oh, this is the gym. Yeah. Okay. Ito ang gym.
Sige lang po. Massage.
The gym. Naka-open na ito.
Indoor gym. Let's go.
Ito, treadmill ako.
Ay, sa dulo labo. Pwesto ka na doon. Gym time. Hi guys. Morning. So we're here at the gym, located at 11, deck 11. Deck 11. So kasama na itong gym is yung spa. So ikot ko lang kayo dito sa gym, kung ano yung tsura ng gym dito sa Costa Serena. Okay?
Ano ako?
Hey,
Kung masyadong malapit.
Chudnin. Elliptical. Some of the weights. Okay. Belts machine. So dito yung mga flat nila. Then Smith machine. Okay, some of the weights. Ito. Pang ano rin. Cardio leg. Ito yung mga weights. Okay. Yung mga stationary leg.
Ano? Tapos yung next niya.
Isang So dito yung mga stationary bike. So may mga rowing machine sila dito. Yan, so dito. Guys, ganun kalaki yung gym nila. So palibot lang siya ng I think 11.2 or 11.3 deck. So dito yung gym. Okay, ganda rin. Tamang papawis lang. Okay guys. Ibutin pa natin yung iba. Pakita ko sa inyo. Kasi halos kompleto naman. Improvise lang talaga para makakompleto ka ng program dito. Labs. 20 minutes na sila, Labs. Ay, pawis na siya.
Hi, Lebron. Gusto ako mag-walk.
Pawis ka na? Okay. Bye. Guys, we're going out. The cabin. After namin mag-gym. Araw lang kami.
Saka tatapos lang
Vitamin
namin mag-gym.
Mag-gym. Let's go.
Let's tour around. Saan? Anong oras na? Dito si proponent. Dito proponent. Doon tayo sa ano, ang malilim. So meron namang part na and then guys, look at this sea.
Wow.
Ayan.
Guys, I'm very grateful and thankful sa experience na to. So, this is the first time na mag-cruise ship kami ni Malalabs. And I just want to thank for the good weather and safe journey namin going to Taiwan and Japan dito sa Costa Serena. So, eto, in-explore lang namin yung view deck. So, ito yung testing namin. I mean, susubukan namin ni Malalabs so tomorrow. May slide sila dito going to the pool. So maganda. Medyo maliit yung pool pero okay din. Okay din namang refresh.
Ano mo yung Costa Serena?
So, yun. Let's go, Costa Serena. Explore natin siya.
Maganon ka nga ulit na picture at kita na nakaganon ka. Tingin ka dito.
Okay.
Hindi mo na. Maya.
We are right here. We're gonna fold around 2 fingers 3 times.
1,
Here, madam. I will teach
2,
Okay? You have to fold like around.
and 3.
Let's go, let's play bingo.
Naka-televoice pa yan labo.
Dito na lang daw. Sige, apat.
Kaya mo sa camera.
Mm. Ha?
Kaya matitelevise sa camera.
Gusto po niyo mag-televise. Ay. Hi guys, so magvi-video muna kami bago kami manalo ng
Bingo, bingo.
Oh, pakita mo yung bingo card mo.
Bingo, bingo.
So, it's bingo na, it's bingo afternoon. So,
For the winning ticket. Hindi si Piao.
bigit natin sa biyaw para swerte.
Swerte.
So, nandito kami sa theater. Nandito na ginagawa yung mga event.
Kung ba yung Piao na yan, sa laki niya, pag hindi pa ako nanalo niyan eh.
Dito kami sa cast. So, let's play bingo!
So, we start the bingo game with the line. How can you see here? Diagonal, vertical, horizontal. Diagonal, vertical, horizontal. And the price for the line is $100. Okay, the price for the line is $100. Okay, it's just one price. If you want.
Okay. Then you go down that room. Deck 3 pa pala. Okay, thank you.
That's room.
Mercurio. Customs. Tapos bababa.
Ano po yun nasa taas? Iba-iba lang.
Ano mo sa Liben?
Wala yun. Ay, hindi. Cinema, parang yan yung
Ayun, may mga books sa lalab. Basa. So in here, the chapel, deck 3. Let's go to.
Disco lang talaga.
Uy, ano mo nandyan? Wala kang bababa pa tayo lang.
Ay, tanong mo. Ay.
Okay.
Ito love series, oh, baba.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Yes, can I help you?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Your attention please. Wait, Matthew and Vesta and the Ceres restaurant are open now. Please check the dinner information after your Costa card. Don't miss the chance for your first dinner city. We wish you a pleasant dinner.
So, this is the Ceres.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Pero may seat assignment naman.
Let's go, Lalam.
So guys, we're here at Ceres Restaurant. So ito yung main event ng Costa Serena. So punta lang kami sa table namin.
Hi guys, so ano tayo dito? Plated. So for starter, we ordered the octopus chuvanes and then the chicken sauté. Ayan.
Carrot soup.
Okay.
Kanina po.
Ha?
Carrot soup.
Sige. Ilagay mo na lang ng ilagay.
Yung tamarind soup po.
Dito na din.
Mamaya natin yung wine nyo. Pinapachill ko pa sa...
Sige. Salamat. So we also ordered a red wine. But for your reference, meron sila dito yan, $16.
Explain na.
Oo, pwede ka pwede mo siyang bilhin.
So around $16 lang. Then there's a 15% service charge. Presyo yun.
So ito yung Ceres na restaurant nila ha. So kung hindi ka magbo-buffet, meron namang naka-assign kung anong restaurant ka. And then, nasa likod lang ng Costa card. Tapos, ayan, plated. Diba? So, later daw, magkakaroon sila ng show, kaya abangan natin. Okay? Let's eat the starter, the appetizer. Let's go.
Performer pala itong mga to. Nag-ibo.
Lenny, ang galing kung ano na Lenny.
Okay. How do you taste the wine? Ikot muna.
Mapupunta ka sa ibang lugar na.
Delicioso.
photo op with the caption. Hi.
Ma quando vengo a andare in giro con le ali sotto i piedi, una risposta so che ti togli i problemi. Ma quando vengo a andare in giro per i piedi, una risposta so che ti togli i problemi.
Senator Villanueva! Senator Joel!
Good morning! Day 3. Thank you. Okay, so breakfast muna kami and then ang activity namin ngayon is we are going to Taiwan.
Day long. Guys, ano pala kami, nag-party pala kami kagabi.
Yung white part.
White party here in Costa Serena. Nabot kami on 1 a.m. na. And masaya naman, masaya. Maraming tao.
So ngayon, ang gagawin namin after nitong breakfast is prepare na kami kasi mamaya magdadak na kami ng Kilong, Taiwan, and then meron kaming excursion doon, nag-avail kami. So
Land trip.
tingnan nyo kung ano yung mga activity, half day tour, parang 4 hours lang, di ba? Na may explore mo yung Taiwan.
City tour.
Sama na siya, actually nag-avail lang kami. Pwede ka naman hindi mag-avail, may option ka doon, mag-DIY ka, but baka hassle, kaya nag-avail na kami ng extra.
Pero guys, ano lang, sabihin lang namin na as of now, yung Ishigawa, Japan. Shigaki tour is puno na.
Sold out na daw.
Sold out na. Kung dito kayo mag-book sa barko. So, we suggest kung talagang balak nyo mag-book ng travel, land travel.
In advance, ano
na kayo.
yun na kasi mabilis pa na siyang ma-sold out yung mga excursions.
Ang laki ng diferensya sa presyo.
Kaya,
i-ano namin,
i-link na lang namin kung saan namin kinuha yung aming tour. Okay? See you later. See you later, Taiwan.
Dapat yan, ayan mo na. Guys, so andito na kami sa Keelung, Taiwan. And waiting lang kami para ma-disembark kami. Pero andito kami sa may bandang back portion or back part na area ng barko. Ito na yung Taiwan Lab, guys. Diyan na yung ano. So yan, so may land trip kami dito. Abangan nyo guys yung mga pupunta namin dito para makita nyo rin pag mga cruise ship, ano yung mga tourist spot na pupuntahan. Okay? So, tara. Gala tayo sa Taiwan, guys. We're going out for the land trip. Lalabs, where are you going?
We're going out to Taiwan to do some excursion.
Excursion. This is the excursion procedure. Initiating.
Okay na. Ay, 10 minutes lang. Ay, 10 seconds lang. Love yung ano nga, yung ito.
Oh. QR.
अबे पंकज इसको घुमा के रखना ये क्यों अभी चाहिए क्या ये वाला अभी घुमा के रख ब्लॉक हो रहा है सब धीरे जा रहा है जाएगा उसी स्पीड से नहीं घुमा उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता
Saan ang gala?
Love! Come on na! Dito ka sa likod ko!
Ay, sige, sige. Parang airport ah.
Parang yun siya airport, no?
Oh, barko namin. Lalabs, gala ka na naman. How's the USL? Yes, naka-USL siya. Ang lakad, ang marcha ng mga gastador. After the immigration, punta na kami dito. Pababa na. Kasya pa ba? Wonder trip.
Wala pa siguro. Tama nga si Mami. Wala pa sila. Kailangan naka-green. Agad, buti naman. So, dito na kami sa bus. Ito yung excursion namin going to Taiwan. So, ang experience namin sa immigration, paglabas, palisascan lang nila yung Costa card. Tapos, sa immigration, yung passport, wala namang ibang tanong, tatak lang. Tapos,
Fingerprint.
Tapos, ito yung in-avail namin na half-day city tour para sa wonder trip dito sa excursion namin sa Taiwan. So, let's see kung ano yung mga pupuntahan. But according to the list, we will be going to Taipei 101, to Chiang Kai-shek, at saka sa yung Longshan Temple. Makikita mo na yung Taipei 101. Oh, look.
Go inside.
Ang dami mong girl. Halika na nga. Meow, meow, ka. Si kasi Barsaga eh.
Ari namin to.
Pero tapos ko na siya bumingin dahil sulat na lang dito.
Shopping.
Okay, shopping.
Souvenir.
Okay.
So, meron kami dito.
Yeah, if you like it, also you can use this one.
Okay.
Yeah, you can take a picture.
Go there.
That is very famous in the Philippines. Meow,
Okay.
meow.
Meow, meow. Pasok ka dun. Meow. Okay.
So, he's a sale some kinds of food. And he will give you some, maybe you try. Don't shine. Taiwan, you can just.
We miss you terribly. We miss you, Shiminding. We love you, Shiminding. We are going to live here. Yeah. Eh, bakit
There's 480.
Where are you, Locochero?
I'm here in Red House
Okay.
in Taipei. Let's go.
So, let's go. Dito ka, dito.
So guys, I'm here at Red House, Taipei 101. Sa Taipei.
Si Minding.
Si Minding pala, si Minding.
Taipei 101 pa lang. Taipei 101 ng Taipei 101.
Ito pala yung pinaka-red district ng Taiwan. Yes, nightlife dito pala.
Okay.
Check lang natin yung loob.
Take a beautiful picture for the 101 tower. Just this one. It's now is the whole world. The number 8 higher too. Yeah, because 101 is mean just he have the 101 level. Yeah, this one tower.
Usod pa, usod. Usod, usod.
Wow, it's so good. So nice. Yes. So yun na nga, tapos na yung aming Taiwan tour.
Okay.
And this is the final spot, which is as you can see at the back of our background is the Taipei 101. So yun na yung that's the 4-hour tour.
Let's call it a day.
Yeah,
for the
conclusion.
Taiwan trip.
So
Pabalik na
very
kami.
brief lang siya, pero vital naman yung mga pinuntahan namin places. Strategic naman si Minding dito sa Taipei 101.
Reminisce kami sa Shiminding.
Actually, medyo hindi kami nakapunta sa Chiang Kai-shek, pero okay lang kasi kailangan na namin bumalik sa cruise.
Yup,
Yan.
mahirap na maiwan.
Okay, so Taipei 101, go back to the cruise.
Your everything. Lost my money.
So, guys, that's it. That's our Taiwan adventure, 1-day excursion. So, paalis na kami. Ayan, umaandar na yung aming barko. So, antay lang namin dito. Tingnan namin kung ano yung mangyayari. So, bukas, punta naman ng Ishigaki, but just to end the vlog for the day. So, thank you Taiwan. And we just had our dinner pala. Dito na kami nag-dinner.
Dito lang kami nagpapababa ng kinain. Overseeing lang doon sa pagalis ng barko dito sa Taiwan.
So, gumagalaw na yung barko. Alis na tayo. Papunta na tayo ng Ishigaki, Japan. Good night.
Good night, guys. Tomorrow ulit.
Paalala, pagdating sa Ishigaki, Japan bukas. Para sa mga pasaherong may Choose Premium Color Tours, sa oras na ito ay dapat natanggap na ninyo ang inyong mga envelopes. Sa loob ng envelope makikita ang Shorex ticket at ang inyong stickers. Maraming salamat at inaasahan namin ang inyong maayos at masayang araw bukas sa Ishigaki, Japan. Good night!